We couldn't have foreseen this story. We couldn't have ever, in our wildest dreams, imagined what would happen through our family's fostering journey, and it's just incredible. I just don't know where the last 22 years have gone, but also I just don't know how one young man has changed our lives so much. My name is Risca Solomon, and I am now a legal deputy to Dan, who came to us on a foster placement at the age of 4, 22 years ago. Very much right from a young age I knew that this was the field I wanted to go into. So from 11 we started fostering, doing foster respite care, and various children needed more longer term placements. Some were emergency, so they would end up being more foster care. And then Dan came into our lives and needed a permanent home in the end, not just respite foster care. So that was 22 years ago. And yeah, he's still with us now as an adult. My parents were his foster carers originally. They then went forward and got special guardianship. My husband and I registered as respite foster carers to support them, as Dan has a diagnosis of autism and learning disabilities and challenging behaviour. Fostering has been inspirational. It has its ups and downs. It's very much a roller coaster, especially when you're fostering an individual with additional needs. One of the biggest things is actually what my children, the next generation, are learning. The care and compassion I see them now at only 3 and 8 delivering to actually Dan, that's much bigger than them, but they understand that he needs some extra care. So we have always fostered with Foster Wales Pembrokeshire. They have been very supportive. So when we were fostering before then going on to the special guardianship, they would put in additional support when we needed it. For Dan, it's been really important for his mum and his brother to maintain that contact. And we're only 20 minutes away from them. So I think that's a big part of fostering for your local authority, to be able to keep children and to be able to then facilitate contact or facilitate them returning to their homes if that's what should happen. If you have any thoughts about being a foster carer, just go for it, because you don't know where it's going to take you. And on that journey, you'll be helping individuals that really need that assistance.